Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to change cPanel time zone. So for this, at first go to your cPanel. Here scroll down, you will find File Manager, click on it. Now click on Setting and click on Show Hidden Files. Then you will find htaccess file. Okay, now edit this htaccess file. Here input this code. Here click on Save Changes. Then go to again in File Manager, create file phpinfo.php and then click on create. Now edit this file and type the rest of the code and then click on Save Changes. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.